Hey everybody, I'm Becky Adams. Thank you for stopping by and spending a few minutes here on YouTube with me. So today I am creating a project for the Hip Kit Club with the March 2021 kit. So I am using the main kit only, and our design team challenge was to use photo strips. So I created these two photo strips. I printed, let's see, 8 2x3 photos, and then I just mounted them on white cardstock and then on a piece of it's beautiful watercolor pink pattern paper. It's an exclusive paper that came with the kit. And actually all of the products except for what's in the color kit are all Hip Kit exclusives, and they are gorgeous and they are definitely worth the wait. So I've got 2 photo strips and I want them to go here kind of on, I want to leave a little space over here for my title and journaling, so the photo strips are going to go along here. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere those. And I'm putting just a little bit of adhesive in the center so that I can still tuck a few things in behind my photo strips. So we'll just adhere them kind of like that. And then I want to make sure, before I start adding embellishments and stuff, I want to add my journaling and my title. So these gorgeous puffy letter stickers come in the kit, and I love the ombre. They start out pink and then gradually go to a darker pink. So the title of this layout is March Memories, and I'm thinking I just want to make sure that I have enough room for all my journaling. Okay, I've got my title in place and I'm going to start putting the journaling in place, and I'm going to use my T-square ruler to get things started. Okay, I have my journaling strips adhered in place now, and as you can see, I did a bulleted list, and I thought it would be fun to cover up those bullet points with enamel dots. And again, these are exclusive enamel dots to Hip Kit Club and the March 2021 kits. So I'm going to stick with the colors that I am going to use on the layout. So we're going to go with kind of that blue, that tealish blue, pink, purple. Whoops, we don't need 2 of them. Okay, pink. Let's see, well, purple. Let's do this lighter, light blue. I guess mainly I'm avoiding this dark blue and the yellow because I know I won't have any of that on this project. Okay, so we've got those in place. And now I have some fussy cut flowers, and I cut these all from, there's a floral pattern paper within the kit that is gorgeous, and I fussy cut some of the flowers, and as you can see, I always fussy cut the ones that are on the edge because they are perfect for using right up against things, whether it's the edge of the paper or the edge of the photo. I'll set that one aside for just a minute. The leaves as well. Use those along the edge. And I think actually we're gonna put that one right there. We'll add. So I'm thinking something like this. So I want to pop some of these up off the page, but I'm not going to use the foam adhesive on the straight edge. So I will put adhesive on, I guess, the petals, and then here against the edge I'm going to put just a tiny bit of liquid adhesive, and that's what's going to keep that flower in place. So we still have a little bit of dimension, but it definitely looks like the flowers are kind of coming out from behind the photo. And I'll do the same thing on this one. I think I'll just do a couple of pop dots on this one. Oops. Remove the backing and add that little bit of adhesive. And it fits perfectly just right along there. Okay, so I have my flowers in place, and I've got my title, journaling, and photos in place. So I'm going to add just a little bit more pink. I don't want the only pink here to be in the title. So I have some chipboard pieces found in the kit, and again I'm working with the main kit of gorgeous exclusive supplies. Okay, we have those few little pops of pink, and I will go ahead and stamp the date, but with that I'm going to call this one finished. So thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to spend creating with me. Make sure, if you haven't done so already, that you hit that subscribe button. And if you like this kind of process video, make sure and hit that thumbs up button as well. So thank you again for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon.